In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new tab in the navigation bar of Google Sites. Whether you're creating a personal web page or managing a professional site, learning how to customize your navigation bar can greatly enhance your site's usability and design. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into Google Sites and you have your site open where you want to add this new tab. The navigation bar is a crucial part of any website as it directs visitors to various sections quickly, so organizing it well is important. To begin, look for the option labeled Pages on the right side of your screen. You'll find this in the Site Editor interface. Clicking on Pages will bring up all the existing pages you currently have on your website. This is the dashboard from where you can manage all your site pages easily. Next, direct your attention to the lower portion of the Pages panel. There you'll see a plus icon. Clicking this icon is your gateway to adding a new tab or page to your site. Once you click the plus icon, a drop-down menu might appear, offering a few options, but for adding a simple tab, choose New Page. This action opens a dialog box where you'll be setting up your new page's properties. Now in this dialog box, it's time to name your new tab. The name you assign here will be what appears on your navigation bar. Make sure the name is both clear and descriptive, as this helps your visitors understand what content lies ahead with just a glance. If you run a blog section, naming it blog or news keeps things straightforward. For more unique sections, ensure the title reflects the section's purpose effectively. Once you've named your tab, you will usually see an option to choose or upload a custom URL for more advanced site styles. For many users, leaving the default settings works perfectly, but if your site has very specific needs, this is something you might consider customizing. After you've completed setting the page name, click Done or Insert, typically the button on the bottom right of the dialog box. And voila, your new tab should now appear in the navigation bar at the top of your site's page. Feel free to click on your new tab to make sure it directs where you want it to go. It should take either to a blank page or whichever content you've preloaded. And that's it. You've successfully added a new tab to your Google Sites navigation bar, improving your website's functionality and ease of use. Feel free to explore further by adding content to the new page or adjusting style settings to match your site's design. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy site building!